Hi everyone. Alright, I'm going to make a quick little pair of earrings out of these because I made a bracelet. And I made danglies, but I know everybody don't like danglies. And I'm thinking about making another bracelet out of these because I like these colors. And I don't know why I like them, but I like them. So we're going to use ball pins. They're just head pins with a ball on the end and a spacer. Hopefully they fit. I didn't even try them. One of our crinkle beads. I like those. I've got some other colors in them, so I have a feeling I'll be making some different ones. Well, I know I will because I've already got some laid out. I don't have all the beads laid out for them, but I've got the crinkle beads. I've got a blue set and a few. Well, these are striped. I think I've got more, but I'm not sure. But I like this color, and I don't know why I like it. Because it just looks classy. And this one, the wire is stiff enough that we can bring it around and cut it. I might have it too long there. Just make a simple little pair of earrings. Oops. Put the cart before the horse there. Why am I shaking so bad? I know it ain't that cold in this house, but I'm freezing. And I think my son's been playing with the thermostat again. Because he works in a garage. And they have the doors open all summer long. So he's probably roasted by the time he gets home, I'm sure. And I work in a building, so we have air conditioning. So whenever I get home, it's colder in the house than it is at work. I can say that. Yeah, I freeze, and he is comfortable. So, and whenever my husband used to work before he got disabled, whenever my husband worked before he was disabled, he worked at the same place, and yeah, he'd come home and he's like, it's hot. I just put more clothes on. You'll see me wearing a sweater, which I've got one on now. And there we go. There's a simple little pair of earrings using those. And I've got a bracelet that I just made close as I could get to the metals. But yeah, I don't know when you'll see this one. I'll have to put the earrings after the bracelet though. But yeah, if you look at my other video, you'll find this bracelet there. Alright, y'all, thanks for watching. Thanks for sticking out to the end. And until next time, I'll see you on the next one. Y'all take care out there. Bye-bye.